Well, time to get this train out to business. Goodness gracious! Excuse me, sir, but dogs need to be restrained around these parts.
Are you kidding me? Leashes are getting more expensive than the food I feed my trustworthy friend here.
But look what he's done for me! What's the matter? Having trouble with someone's dog, little No.2 engine? Ha 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 ha! How disgusting!
I swear to the werewolf sourcing moon and back that my dog didn't leave any duty on your stupid tracks.
Well, it ain't no problem for a Grand Express engine. Now where's the Express? Oh no! So, who's the No.2 engine here, Gordon? Oh, the indignity stinks!
Ooh, look at that! Edward and Gordon, the big engines with big businesses. I'd hate to join that bark side.
Huh? How did that get behind him so fast? Poor Thomas. I think he just went up a number. From #1 to #2. Ha ha!
This isn't funny. This is why pets need proper guardians.
Well, this pet has never caused nonsense like this, and he never will.
Are you kidding me?
I will not
don't
be
know how
I will not be
it is.
humiliated
I
like
can't.
this.
There's
I
no-
Looks like they never knew what trolled them. True dat.
So, why are we doing this again?
My alphabet soup messaged us to.
Okay.
Hey, let's go prank. Ooh, yeah, let's go give it a shot. Hey, no fair. We're supposed to be a prank team. What? You've got the pudding right in your hand. There's no way I'm the culprit. Yeah, then who is it, I wonder? Need we say more?